I'm going to be washing my hair. I'm going to try this new method and see if it works for me because I'm tired of doing my hair and I want to do wash and goes again, like when my hair was short. Basically, it's catered towards very kinky hair. Tons of conditioner, which I have tons of, and basically lots of hair product. I do have some of my Canty Shea Butter left, so I'm gonna just drench my hair in that, and then air dry. I'll go for a walk and I'll take you guys with me on that. So yeah, let's do this.
I'm not doing my day because I can do that. It feels so weird. I did my hair. Let's see if it dries. Cute. Okay. See you in a bit. There's this forest behind where I live, and I don't know, I think it's cool. I've been coming here every day since we've had break from school. I've seen deer. I don't know. It's pretty cool. There's not much Pokemon in there, so that's cool. I don't need Pokemon all the time. But yeah. And like it's a trail, so it covers like this whole entire area. Okay, can anybody tell me what that Pokemon is supposed to be? Oh, autofocus. Oh, it disappeared. Yeah, Dunn Family Park. So that's, or Dunn Farms, or something like that. We'll see when we get there. Oh, cool thing that I didn't know that I learned a couple weeks ago. There's this little black dog. I'll post a picture of it somewhere here. There's this little black dog, and it's fluffy, and it has like no tail, so it's like just a little round bum. And it's, for the longest time, because I love dogs, so I like know most of the breeds and all that kind of stuff. For the longest time, I thought that this dog was called a Schipperke. A Schipperke. I only found out recently that it's called Schipperke. Schipperke. So, I'm like mind blown for some reason, but I just thought I'd let you guys know that. It's so funny, because both names sound like ridiculous, but like, I guess Schipperke makes sense, German, so. Yeah. Schipperke. But yeah, I want one of those dogs. Anybody knows where to find one? Yeah. If I'm gonna get a dog, I wanted a dog ever since I was a kid. And the only reason why I don't have one now is because I'm in school full time. So when I do actually have time, I will want to get a dog. And I want to adopt because, you know, it's not more of the right thing to do, but it's just a responsible thing to do. Rescue places don't want you to have, they're strict. They're so strict that it turns people away from getting an animal from the shelter. Like, it's ridiculous. It's pretty. I think those are grapes. Oh, that's so cool. Okay, this is where the Pokestops are. So give me a second. Okay, Pokeballs collected. So this camera is not so great, it seems. Like, it's already almost dead, so I might have to continue recording with my phone because I'm not going back home. Yeah. usually there's no like gardeners or anything out here because there's animals that live here. Deer, birds, so many birds, woodpeckers, robins, redbirds, all kinds of birds. And they live in these places. I've walked by U of T one day, and there were deer just sitting in this area where the housing is. So like if you were living there, you'd literally open your door and you'd see like 3 deer just munching on grass, which I think is so fucking cool. Okay, it's getting blazing out here, and I just realized that I forgot to drink water before I left. So I'm just gonna do a quick turn around and get some water since I kind of made a loop, so I'm kind of close to home now. And then we'll get back to our little trip.
So I have this like white cast all in my hair, and I don't think it's gonna dry like clear. I'm just gonna have to wash it again because it's chunky. I should just have to wash my hair off again, which would suck. Some quesadillas that I made last night. Bacon quesadillas. I'm just gonna have that and my water. Then we'll go back out and see if my hair will dry. Alright. So I wasn't charging before, so now it is charging. Okay.
I'm kind of crazy for doing this. We're back outside, and it's still hot AF. Yeah, so my hair, I washed out, as you can see, I washed out the extra product. It's like, once summer hits, it's blazing hot for like a week straight, then it's thunderstorms, and then it's blazing hot for another week straight, and then thunderstorms. And then late October, early November is when we get wintry weather. And it's on and off. So our fall isn't like smooth, just transition into winter. No, it doesn't do that. Some days you think it's gonna be summer again. I've worn shorts, like short shorts in October before. And then like a week later, at like Halloween time, it's like freezing fucking cold. So that just goes to show you what Ontario weather is like. It's extreme, and it's either one way or the other. There's never any in between. If it's wet, it's really fucking wet. If it's dry, it's really fucking dry. If it's cold, they're really fucking cold. Really cold. Oh, man, I'm just getting tired. I can't fall again. I mean, like, it's beautiful. Don't get me wrong. Canada is a beautiful country. There's so many cool things here. This is Dunn Park, and like I'll show you where it is. Millennium Grove is where we're going. Okay, cool. There's 2 ways to get there. We're gonna take the left. Planted by volunteers, and they're supposed to have 43 trees, but it doesn't look like there actually is 43 trees. one of the trees. As you can see, there's one tree stump here. Let's see what it was supposed to be. An eastern hemlock. They live up to 200 years. They require a cool, moist site, but this is like in the middle of the goddamn field. I don't know about you, but like Brampton and Mississauga soil is very clayey, so it's not great. This is my other favorite tree because it looks like paper. Just weird. It's a white birch. Here. This one can live up to 120. Let's see what we get from here. This one can live several hundred years. So pretty. Cool. A bunny rabbit. It's getting really hot, so I think I'm gonna cut this trip short. I'm gonna go to Starbucks, get something to drink since I have something in my car. That was fun. We'll do this again another time, maybe tomorrow. I think I'm gonna try to do these daily vlogs till school starts again. I think it's a good idea. I think it's a good idea, so yeah. So this is what I got from Starbucks. So I got 2 pumps of classic syrup and 4 pumps of mango syrup and a venti. That was a horrible decision. Okay, I'm gonna have to water it down. It tastes great, but like it tastes like a fucking popsicle. So it's like a passion tea lemonade. So I'm back from my walk in Starbucks and that's just my room. I'm gonna do like, I think I can edit this while I rehydrate. My hair shrunk a lot. I don't honestly care. Like, I wanted it to work, but I don't think it worked the way I thought it was gonna work. My hair is longer than it used to be last year around this time, which is when I cut it like into a pixie cut, and then it's grown a lot, but you know, it's not the length that it was. Unless like I can keep my hair in braids or weave or something like that, it's just breaking off my hair. I can't touch my hair or it breaks basically, which is unfortunate because like I've been having my hair out. I love having my hair out. I love wearing afros and twist sets and stuff like that, but it's just too much manipulation, and so I can't do it too much. It's, I don't know, so I'm gonna have to figure something out. Weaves or braids or crochet braids, like crochet, yeah, like twists and stuff like that, because that seems like the ideal. I do want to keep a more natural look, but I'm not opposed to like wearing weaves and stuff like that. I don't know. But I want to see how much length I can retain. Length retention experiment. Oh. Yeah. Okay, bye.